Marhaba, this is Yaman from community of Babel, and today we're going to talk about common phrases that are used in everyday conversation in the Syrian dialect. The first phrase is شو رأيك? شو رأيك? It means what's your opinion? For example, شو رأيك بهذا الموضوع? شو رأيك بهذا الموضوع? What's your opinion on this subject? Next, we have شو الأخبار? شو الأخبار? It literally means what are the news, but it means what's up in the Syrian dialect. شو الأخبار? What's up? Next, we have three terms that are similar to each other. ممكن, لو سمحت, بعد إذنك. ممكن means may you. لو سمحت means if you may. بعد إذنك literally means after your permission, but it also means may you. So ممكن, لو سمحت, بعد إذنك, they all mean if you may or may you. For example, ممكن تفتح الباب. ممكن تفتح الباب. May you open the door. لو سمحت افتح الباب. لو سمحت افتح الباب. Can you or may you open the door? بعد إذنك افتح الباب. بعد إذنك افتح الباب. It means may you open the door. Next, we have two terms that are also similar to each other. It's ما في مشكلة. ما في مشكلة and ولا يهمك. ولا يهمك. They both mean no problem. No problem. So ما في مشكلة and ولا يهمك. No problem. Next, we have also three terms to say I'm sorry. عفوا or آسف or أنا بعتذر. عفوا, آسف or أنا آسف and أنا بعتذر. The three of them mean I'm sorry. Next we have دير بالك. دير بالك. It literally means keep your mind on, but it means watch out or be careful. For example, دير بالك توقع. دير بالك توقع. Be careful to fall. Be careful to fall. Next, we have a very common phrase in the Syrian dialect. It's أهلا وسهلا or أهلين وسهلين. أهلا وسهلا or أهلين وسهلين. It means welcome. It's only one word in English. It means welcome. Next, we have تشرفت. تشرفت. It means I'm honored. I'm honored. It's a way to say I'm honored to meet you. For example, تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بلقائك. I'm honored to meet you. The last phrase is برأيي or أظن. برأيي or أظن. أظن means I think. برأيي means in my opinion. So, for example, I would say أظن الطقس بارد اليوم. أظن الطقس بارد اليوم. I think that the weather is cold today. Or برأيي الطقس بارد اليوم. برأيي الطقس بارد اليوم. In my opinion, the weather is cold today. That was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate if you like this video and hope to see you on other videos.